When I solve the problem, technical problem, somebody says, yeah, I'm good to go. So yeah, my day is made. My name is Adeline Nyonsaba, and as I said, I'm a people person. So making people laugh while I'm trying to solve their problems, it helps.
My name is Ron Sren. I work for Canadian-based operators who look after the students. We look after the runways, we look after the lights, we look after the buildings. Built the helipad at the hospital, and we maintain that, so that's kind of a community thing to do here. We definitely have a great crew here, very easygoing. We work together. It has to be a team. It's such a large organization.
The KF people, they're just all really friendly because honestly, I worked for many companies since I got in this country, and this has been my best experience and also learning experience.